Hello all. As we know, the world is facing the most grievous health crisis and we are not the exception. Towards achieving this academic endeavor of giving quality education to our students, School of Journalism and Mass Communication, Noida International University has always been the forebearer of this kind of pursuits. Most of the courses are practical based subjects. That is 70% content of our courses are practical based. So it is very hard for us to deliver the contents online. But with a great team of faculty members and technical staff, I am very fortunate to give the stuff which is needed for our students. And our student feedback is immensely praisable for the school. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Shanu Gupta, Assistant Professor at School of Journalism and Mass Communication, Noida International University. Friends, as you all are aware that we are going through a very miserable and difficult situation due to coronavirus pandemic. Because of this, we were under lockdown from past 21 days and this lockdown has further been extended till 3rd May. Many part of the industries are being badly affected by this. So considering myself as an active member of academic industries, I am from past 2 weeks imparting my lectures through some online applications such as Zoom and MS Teams. It has turned out to be a great support at this time. Instant communication with the students through WhatsApp and Gmail has made the things quite easier than earlier. They are highly satisfied and giving positive feedback with the way technology is helping them. I promise them the same level of commitment and dedication towards my job in future too. I feel that academicians all over the country should set the same tone and should not let the academics suffer at any cost. At last, I just want to say that stay home, stay safe, Jai Hind.
It's really a great opportunity when we take online classes using different mediums like Zoom, Dio and other apps. I always generate discussions and encourage students to take charge of your class and ask your questions. Discussing assignments, their practical works, it is always a pleasant experience. I can say I am enjoying online classes and I am fully satisfied.
Online teaching is actually an opportunity to create more engaging and interactive experience. For that, we use some useful links, digital tools, media, etc. related to their course and topic. We try to engage students with frequent dialogue and give opportunities so that they can ask and answer questions.
Hello everyone, here I am Shubhni Saxena as an Assistant Professor in School of Journalism and Mass Communication, Noida International University. During this period, COVID-19 is a very crucial period for every person in India. Due to this reason, I have taken the online class. Here I am sharing the online teaching experience. I have shared the recorded videos, PPTs and e-content related to topics on WhatsApp and emails. I am also using various user-friendly software tools and apps. I am delivering the information and interacting the students, which is very useful and effective for students. All the students are satisfied with online classes. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks.
Everyone, I am Gulshan Kumar, Assistant Professor of Journalism and Mass Communication. It is aptly said that crisis gives birth to opportunities. The bigger the crisis is, the bigger the opportunity will be. From past 30 days, we are taking online classes. It comes as an opportunity to explore our new ways, new methods, new technique to teach and reach our students. I have used social media platforms like YouTube, WhatsApp to reach our students. Students, they have also used this new media platform to resolve their queries, ask questions regarding their subject, regarding the assignment. And according to my view, online teaching method is quite a satisfactory experience for me.